Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, heartiest welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and hit the subscribe button right now so that you will not miss any of my important updates on communication skills and interview cracking tips. So, by not wasting much time, what we are going to learn today is, by the way, we are today into day 10. Yes, guys, we are into day 10 of pronunciation series. In this series, what we are going to learn is today the WH questions by falling intonation. Yes, yesterday we learned about rising intonation. I hope you recorded that. If not, please go and do it right away. Pause this video and record your voice note by just listening to those questions. Okay, by imitating as it is. All right, and then only please come to this video, guys. Please watch this. All right, so by not completing the previous tasks, you are not allowed to watch this. Okay, that's my request. So today we are into day 10 and now I'm going to teach you how to fall our tonality, intonation, how to fall our voice. So we have 10 WH questions here, how to record them by falling intonations. Okay, so the first question what we have here is, where do you live? Where do you live? So I'm not raising my voice, otherwise they'll feel like, you're just asking, not you're just okay, you're not requesting, you're commanding by asking that questions, right? So we should not be commandable by asking these questions, this kind of questions, right? So where do you live? Simply ask like this, where do you live, in a sweet and melodious tone. And then the second question what we have here is, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? And the third question what we have here is, how was your day? 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 And the fourth question what we have here is, when did you arrive? When did you arrive? When did you arrive? And the fourth question what we have is, the fifth question what we have here is, why are you late? Okay, if you ask this question by raising your voice, nobody will answer you. So please hold your horses and ask in a polite manner, why are you late? Okay, why are you late? And then the sixth question what we have is, who is that man? Who is that man? Who is that man? And the seventh question what we have is, which book did you read? Which book did you read? Which book did you read? Let me know in the comments. Okay. And then the eighth question is, how long is the meeting? How long is the meeting? How long is the meeting? Okay, we are just following our tone at the end. Okay. And the ninth question what we have is, what time is the concert? What time is the concert? What time is the concert? And the 10th question what we have is, where is the nearest airport here? Where is the nearest airport here? Okay, you can ask either that or any other questions as well by just asking these WH questions for your tonality, right? Yesterday we raised our voice, today sorry for that, yesterday we raised our voice, today we are falling our voice. All right, so everything is important, guys. When you know how to raise your voice, you have to know how to fall your voice as well. Okay, this is very important. So I hope you got this and you are going to record this video today. That's your task and you are going to do it. I believe that. By not wasting much time, just do it right away, because there is no right time to do right things. The right time is right now. All right, good. So I'll see you in the next one. Until then, what you got to do, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Share with your friends and family who wanted to improve their pronunciation skills. Thank you so much for the help, by the way, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, take care, wish you happy learning, guys.